Hi everyone, Tessa Lamping here, and I want to introduce to you trading's #1 market replay platform. It's called Trading Sim. What does Sim stand for? Simulator. Trading Simulator. I know if you're like me and the market's closed, you missed your trade, you missed your entry, you missed a fill, you missed an ad, you couldn't get locates, whatever it may be, you wish that you could play the trade. You missed it on the day because you were working and you want the opportunity to trade a perfect setup. Maybe your emotions are all over the place and you're learning to control them. So, with Trading Sim, you can get the market data about 15 minutes after the market closes, because that's when they upload it to this trading simulator. And then you can practice your trade. Let me show you. So you have the option of futures or equities. Now I trade stocks, not options. So I'm going to click equities. Once this loads, you'll have your trading platform. This platform will allow you to add multiple charts, read the level 2, have access to level 1, the tape, and learn it almost in real time. So as you can see, I go to the search menu and I'm going to click here, type in stocks. This was a stock from this morning that I really wanted to trade. So here you can see it right in here. Got your 1 minute chart. You can zoom out right in here. Thanks to this trading simulator, I can go back almost in real time and re-trade the charts that I wish I could have done a better job. This is revolutionary. The best trading simulator there is out there. They don't call it #1 for no reason. Here is the ticker MOTS. It's a listed stock because Trading Sim is the best listed trading simulator. We don't have OTCs quite yet. Anyways, pre-market, they have pre-market and after hours. Pre-market, this stock spiked. Now, full disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am nowhere professional. I'm not out of dollars. I am simply learning to short sell. Right, I shorted one time on accident, but now I am using my favorite long strategy to bet against it. When the stock spikes, consolidates, instead of it spiking, it fails. So this is what I'm looking for. The stock spiked in the morning, it consolidated under VWAP and panicked or faded out. It didn't panic, it faded. So I want to take advantage of this opportunity. And since I don't have a margin account yet, which I am opening up with Trade Zero, I am an affiliate, but I'll leave a link below so that way you can sign up for Get Pro 3 months free, lower commissions, and extra goodies. So make sure to click the link below and sign up to Trade Zero. Now, I couldn't trade this during the market because my margin account is getting approved. I'm actually in the process of switching my cash account to a margin account, which is what you need to short sell. So, being up for pre-market and watching this, so being awake for pre-market and watching this, I tried to paper trade it and it just wasn't working. So being awake pre-market, I wanted to short this, but I have to wait for my account to be approved. So what better way to practice short selling than a new pattern than using the trading simulator after hours once the market played out, and I can now take my time, journal my emotions. I also track my trades using Trader Sync, which is also phenomenal for using for documenting your paper trades. So I highly recommend signing up to Trader Sync And I am also an affiliate with TraderSync, so make sure you click the links below. Document all your paper trades with TraderSync. That way you can write about your emotions, and when you do go live trading your favorite pattern, you have the data there and you've mastered yourself, so you're more prepared when you trade with real money. Now moving on, this is what I was looking for. How did I find this stock? I use Stocks to Trade. I am not an affiliate with Stocks to Trade, but I use Stocks to Trade Oracle to find my pre-market spikers. So when this came on my radar, no volume pre-market, but that's okay. Pre-market isn't as volatile as it is during market hours. Typically, using Trading Sim, I want to look at the daily chart. So to change to the daily chart, put daily. I want to look at the extended hours. This is not extended hours. Click the extended hours in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll see a check mark where it goes to extended hours, and you can see it start at 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. market Eastern time, to 4 p.m. market close, to after hours at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So here is the daily. This is pre-market, and I want to trade. I'm going to go to about 4:30 a.m. February 14th. We got extended hours. No, let's go with 4:12 in the morning, and then let's watch it play out. So we're in MOTS, 4:12 in the morning. It's the daily. And change the charts to one chart. Okay, now look, we had a morning spike, but the volume is so bare in this one. That's why it took a little bit for my scanner to catch up. It's loading. You can see it's just, the spread is 44 by 53. There's a lot of sellers. And I don't know where the top is, but there's a lot of sellers in here. So I'm going to try and put my seller for 52. So the print was at 50 on the ask. It was right there at 53. So I wonder, 49, 53. I'm going to put in 100 shares at MOTS. Good till cancel order, limit order 52. If it's at 50, I'll risk the couple extra cents. So I'll risk, well, high is 50. So, yeah. Maybe it is good to have two charts. With the knots on the other chart. So it's still green, but resistance is right here at 51. So that makes me feel better about shorting. Oh, it's at 49, so I better do 40, 48. So let's sell. Gotta sell short, 100 shares, lots at 48, limit, good till cancel. Will I get filled? This is my first time practicing short selling intentionally, and oh my goodness, how exciting. I got the shares. It looks like I have 100 shares short at 48. And the stock is bouncing between 44 and 49. You can see 44 right here, 49. You can see 49 right here. The shares aren't too exciting because this stock is illiquid. You can even see on the chart right here that I got filled. right here, not quite at the top. So, what's my risk? I'll go off of a 53-cent risk. I'm at 48 entry, so a few cents. You just patiently wait. So right here, I can pull up this, go to Trader Sync. Wait, Trader Sync. I have it right here. So while the stock is still moving, it's still loading. I'm down 1%. Here's Trader Sync. So here's my live trade. I can exit this out of all the trade, go to add a trade, and I go to paper trade, symbol MOTS. I'm selling it because I'm short selling. The time. So it is 4:21 in the morning. So we'll go 4:21. Got 100 shares at 0.48. No commissions, no fees. And then when the trade is done, to add execution, we'll go to buy, because that's what we do to cover. We'll add the time, we'll add the shares. So let's go. This is at normal speed. So if you want to practice really mastering your emotions, then keep it on normal speed. Otherwise, if you're really wanting to practice the chart setup, maybe on a faster speed, speed it up 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. So, for the sake of the video, let's speed it up to 2 times. You can see there's a big buyer right here. So perhaps my short at 48 wasn't the wisest. The stock is up 14%, and the market's just really slow. So let's speed it up to 3 times. Man, no wonder I didn't see this in the morning. Oh, you can even see my buying power and my account value. Well, there's another sell at the bid. Oh, it went to 53, it went to 50. So it's way above. So I could cover, should probably cover. Oh, yep, it's really going to squeeze. So go 50, 56. I'm getting squeezed at 100. It's squeezing me. Bye. Okay, I got filled. Oh, my first loss. So don't want to get squeezed because you can end up owing more than what you have in the brokerage. So the volume's really coming in. It's 60, 63. Oh gosh, up to 70. It's a good thing I covered. 75 to 80. Oh my goodness. I'm waiting to see more sellers. So there's sellers, so let's go 70. Let's sell. Oh, it's going down. I missed it. So that's another thing with having it sped up. You're more likely to miss it. Oh gosh, it's up to 80. It's up to 90. Oh goodness. Let's slowly speed down to normal. I squeezed myself by having it sped up. So I have an entry at 70 it's up to 80. So maybe I should, right now it's down to 73, 76, 77, so let's cover at 76. We smacked it. Oh, let's go to 77. So we're still okay, so I gotta buy a cover. Let's do that. Let's wait till I see more sellers. Oh. New laps time. Okay, I'm all out again. Oh my goodness, this is hungry now. Oh gosh. And it's a good thing I'm taking small size. Okay, it's up to 80. I'm still messing around with 100 shares, but this is a rush. So 84, I'm gonna pay more attention to bids. So next time, let's try it. So now it's high. It's 84. So I'm gonna put this. I got it on normal speed. So there's still buyers at 81. There's still buyers at 82. There's a lot of shorts or sellers at 84. So I'm thinking, that's a big one. So I'm thinking, let's sell. Okay, so now I'm trying short at 81. So there's a lot of sellers at 84. But there are bidders like this. Got my entry at 81. Higher day, the higher day is higher. It's actually coming down. You can see right here on the right side. I'm definitely gonna have to practice this over again, and probably not on like 5 times speed, because that was crazy and I squeezed myself just by the speed, and because I'm not used to this, it took me longer to process. Let me plug my computer in real quick. who ate all my chopsticks. That's another thing to consider trading with kids. You can practice these trades and not lose your money. It's great for parents, especially when you're out working and you miss the stocks during the day. You still need that practice, but you didn't get that time, that screen time. Just use Trading Sim and you can get that screen time. Our kids can practice with you. There's so many great things about Trading Sim. There's no risk involved. And it's all about risk management. Now, right now, I'm up 10.85%. And that's with plugging my computer in. This should make up all the losses that I just had. I'm going to change the chart back to one. Oh, wow. This blew past right there. So I had resistance in like the 80s, but it went up to right here. So it's great being able to see the double chart. But maybe sometimes you just want one chart. You can do one chart, and it makes it a little bit bigger. Now, also, it's bigger when you actually use the full screen, and you can see it a lot better. But how incredible is this trading simulator? I absolutely love Trading Sim, and I wish they had this around when I first began trading. So I am excited to share this with you. So make sure you click the link below, sign up to Trading Sim, and get to practicing. But let's see. And it's down into the 60s already. I'm up 14%. No, I'm up 14. I'm up $14. I'm up 17.23%. While my son is eating my chopsticks. The stock's coming down. I'm up 19.75%. Wow, that's not amazing. Your face is covered in chopsticks. So also, if you are in the middle of this kind of trade and you have to clean up messes that your kids have made, what better capability to have than pausing it? So I'm just going to pause this real quick. As you can see, my son's covered in chopstick, and I need to get this off. So, one moment. Sorry about that. My son ate all my chopsticks, and it was all over his face, as I'm sure you could possibly see. I'm sure you could see. So, got that all cleaned up. So that's another amazing feature, is that I can pause and play this and get back to it without any stress, unlike the normal markets. So the stock's starting to bounce there. Let's cover this one intentionally this time. It is up or down to 65. I see I'm buying at 65, so let's put buy at 65. Oh wait, I should be covering this at 65. So I'm out at 65. And let me check my analytics. So another amazing thing about Trading Sim is they track your stats for you. My average losing trade is about $18. My average winning trade is $16. My hold time so number of losing trades, I have 2 losing trades and 1 winning trade. My max winning trades, performance, my net gain. So out of all that, it looks like I made about $3. And look at that, that's so cool. So you can do this, and then how it automatically tracks. You can export it, you can log your data, but I also want to keep track of this through Trader Sync, so that way I can see which one is my best performance out of my evaluator. So on my Trader Sync evaluator, it shows all my best setups, and I can track everything. I can track my progress through the evaluator. So it's very crucial for you to track your trades with Trader Sync, so that way you can track how well you're performing with that specific pattern. So Trading Sim and Trader Sync go hand in hand. It's beautiful. So this is definitely my favorite way to study now. I think everyone in the world, whether you're a beginner trader or an advanced trader, you guys need Trading Sim. It's the best. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Leave a comment. How is this going to benefit you? I mean, how could it not? So leave comments. Give me a like if you like this video. I really appreciate it. Also, happy Valentine's Day. And if you really find my content helpful or beneficial to you or someone else, share it. Let them know about all the new things, the new ideas, the new content I come out with, and share it with the world. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful Valentine's Day.